Hi guys, welcome back to another new video tutorial in which I will tell you about the dual WhatsApp in your device Vivo T1 Pro. So now if you want to use a dual WhatsApp, or you can say a clone WhatsApp or a second WhatsApp, like you already have one WhatsApp but you want to install another one, if you want to do it, you can easily do this by the methods I will show you. Before that, you have to subscribe my channel and press the bell icon. Follow the steps and watch complete video and you will learn about the dual WhatsApp in your device. Let's watch the video.